welcome to the Mindful Dashboard. Today we'll set up your very first Notion workspace, step by step. In just a few minutes, you'll learn how to create pages, use blocks, and build a simple, calm structure you'll actually enjoy returning to. Notion is a flexible digital workspace. Notes, tasks, dashboards, all in one clean place. The sidebar is your main navigation, and when you need to move fast, press Command or Control plus P to jump anywhere instantly. Now let's create your main page. Call it Personal Hub. Choose a simple icon and a clean, calming cover. Don't overthink it. Just something that feels light. In Notion, everything is a block. Type / and you'll see all the options appear. Headings, text, checkboxes. Just choose what feels natural. Let's start with a simple Today section. Only 3 tasks, not 10, not 20, just 3. Enough to feel focused, not overwhelmed. Below that, create a small weekly goals table. Goal, status, notes. A gentle balance between structure and freedom. Now let's build your first database. Use Table View for detailed work, Board View to see progress, and Calendar View for your deadlines. Notion lets you see the same information in the way your mind needs right now. You can also connect pages with simple links or mentions. It keeps your entire system connected and clear. And here it is, your first Notion dashboard. Clean, intentional, simple, something you can return to every day without stress or clutter. A few tips before we finish. Start with one page. keep just 3 daily tasks. Link pages instead of duplicating them. And keep your visual style minimal. It will help your mind stay calm. If this was helpful, feel free to like, subscribe, and tell me what you'd love to explore next. Thank you for being here.